Hey, it's Curly Rose. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing an Ulta Beauty haul.
Everything is all
So now that my hair is in a protective style and I can't binge product buy, I don't even know if that's a word, but now I had to do something else. So I said, why not go to Ulta and get some goodies for your skin, because your skin is just as important as your hair. So I got some goodies and I am just gonna tell you a little bit about my skin. I have oily skin and I have a lot of hyperpigmentation. So I got things that really focus on brightening. Can you see it? Yeah, it's lemon. It's lit. It's lit lemon. So everything in this beauty haul is really just about brightening and toning the skin and just getting your skin at the best that it can be. I have a Hydro Boost hydrating mask with hyaluronic acid. That's a tongue twister. I have a brightening mask with seaweed and pearl. There is one that is a Radiance boost with vitamin B3. And there is one, a detoxifying mask with charcoal. This one actually stood out to me, and that's why I got it, because there is, it's a watermelon hydrogel mask. And I've never had a watermelon mask before, so I was kind of curious to see how it would smell and what it would do. And I also have a deep clean purifying mask and another hydrogel mask with seaweed. So I really just got a wide array of various facial masks with various benefits, because it just depends on what your skin needs. One day your skin might need a boost, or one day you might just need a calming, or one day you might need a toning or moisturizing. So I just got a wide array of face masks depending on my needs. I also picked up this little body exfoliating loofah cloth. This is nice because you can throw it in the washer and wash it and then use it again just to get rid of that bacteria, versus your traditional loofah, which, by the way, if you are using a traditional loofah, you should be replacing that every 30 days because of all the bacteria that can build up. I also got a lemon mask. Again, like I said, it just depends on what I'm feeling for the day and what I feel that my skin needs. For my body and legs, I got this body scrub. It's a sugar scrub with shea butter and turmeric. And turmeric is actually super great. It's antifungal, and it's great if you have hyperpigmentation, and it's great for just brightening and toning. So the fact that they formulated that into this sugar scrub was amazing. So I was so happy to find it. It smells really good, and it's Tree Hut. Yeah, so they have this at Walmart as well. You don't have to get this at Ulta, but I think this Bohemian Escape line is only at Ulta. But if you are just into the Tree Hut brand period, they do have that at Walmart, and it smells so good. And it says that it detoxifies and tones skin, which makes sense because of the turmeric. And I also got that with the gel, which is also by Tree Hut. It's a Hydrolite gel, and I am going to be using this as a duo in my skin regimen for glowy summer skin. So yeah, so here's one with strawberry and mint pore cleansing. That is very interesting. So I really just grabbed a bunch of random facial masks that said that they do different things to help with my skin. And I grabbed a scrub to exfoliate and a gel to moisturize. I really just had a lot of fun in Ulta. Every time I'm in Ulta, there's just so many things you can get. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try all of my goodies. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this with a friend, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @theofficialcurlyrose. See you next time.
Everything is